everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this halo. Jesus. So now we have that problem sorted. Let's carry on. So today I have this halo, glowy, pinky, browny, smoky eye with a nude lip. And contour, highlight. Today I've done a face routine as well, so you'll get to see how I do the whole complete look. Minus the eyebrows, I only just touch them up, you know, towards the end. So yeah, hope you all really enjoy and just keep on watching. Hi everyone, so I'm just going to be starting off with the shade p.louise. I've already prepped my eyes with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. And I'm just building up that colour, really rounding it off, just around the eye, really nicely with a blending brush. Then I'm taking the shade Sunkissed and grabbing another brush. Then I'm taking the shade Sunkissed and just putting it just below the p.louise shade that we just used, just so it gets a really nice gradient effect. And again, just rounding this off, buffing it to the under eye as well, and doing even pigment on the inner to the outer corner. Then I'm taking the shade Burnt from the p.louise palette and just going underneath / on top the Sunkissed shade that we just used. Then going in with the shade Queen, which is this really nice red colour, and just defining out my halo, you know, area, the socket, bringing it from the inner to the outer corner, mainly focusing on the inner to outer. Then I'm taking the shade Bestie, that's what it's called, and I'm just taking this and just packing it on the outer and the inner corner. Also, I'm just going to be bringing it around as well, because I don't just want it to stop, as you can see, and I'm bringing it round. Okay, still bringing it round. There we go. Just taking a brush with the shade Sunkissed on, just to blending it all out. Then I'm taking the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, and sorry, I forgot what the word was called. And I'm just carving out the halo for my eye. I love this eye primer, like literally you can just take the wand out and prime away. And the coverage is so good, it's like a concealer, so you can just carve out your eyes. Then I'm taking the shade Queen again. Sorry, I pointed to the wrong shade in the beginning, but corrected myself. That's why I got confused. And just blurring out the edges, just packing on the colour on the inner and the outer corner, just to make sure that there's no harsh lines and we haven't got a block of concealer just shoved there. Then taking the shade Bestie again. Geez, I really need to learn these shades. I'm packing that just below the shade Queen, just to really, and the shade Queen's coming up quite pink actually. It's more of a reddy shade, pinky shade. But anyway, I'm just popping that on the inner and outer corner, just so that it's a gradual effect. Then I'm taking the Colourpop Double Entendre palette, and I'm going in with the second shade to the left, to the right it would be? No, to the left, yeah. And just packing that over the primer so that the halo starts coming together. Oh, okay, we're going there. Okay, yeah. Just going to tidy up any fallout, just because I hate all that crap over my face. You can never see what it's going to look like. And I'm so sorry I was out of the camera on this one, but I just took the Rimmel gold eyeliner and just lined my lash line. And then taking the Colosal mascara and just giving them a little coaty, ready for lashes. And the lashes I'm going to use are the Pink Mink lashes. To be honest, I don't know what style these are in, so sorry, but they're really fluffy. And just pop them on with Duo Dark Glue. Then I took the Sugar Pill, I think, but it's in the shade Gatsby, because I felt like it needed more of a pop, like it wasn't, the halo wasn't popping, and Gatsby always has my back because boom, look at that, like look at the difference. It's so much better, just stands out more. Anyway, moving on to the face. So I'm just going to prime my more porous areas using the Benefit Porefessional. Then going in with the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Liquider in the shade Moonstone. And I literally love this product so much, as you can clearly see. It just gives me such a natural glow from within. Then I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way, just taking 2 pumps, as you can see, and when I dot it on it looks like so much, but it was only 2 pumps. And I'm just taking that and gonna dot it all over, ready for blending. Taking the Real Techniques Beauty Blender, Ride or Die. This beauty blender is so good, and I've only used that for like ages now. And here we go. Yep, there we go. Just blending. Because, you know, okay. Yep, we're still going. And I'm taking the Urban Decay Naked Concealer. This is the lightest shade they do. So, as you can tell, I'm pretty pale. Painting a whole layer of foundation back on. Yep, again, going in with the Real Techniques Beauty Blender. And I have to be so careful here that I don't affect any of the eyeshadow. A lot of people, when they're doing a blown out look, do their foundation first, which to be honest would have been clever, but Mama didn't think of that, so we're now suffering. Then I'm taking the Too Faced, that was the shortest clip in the world, Too Faced powder, Born This Way powder, and I'm just kind of like mini baking my under eye and nose, just because that's where I get very oily and my makeup doesn't last. Then I'm taking the Smashbox contour sticks in the contour shade and snatching those cheeks in, girl. Like my face is so round, and wait till you see when I'm blending this out. It's like I'm sucked in. And then just giving my little nose a bit of something, you know. Yeah. And there we go. A little bit on the forehead, a little bit under the chinny chin, because can't leave a girl out. And then I'm taking the Real Techniques stippling brush, and I'm just buffing this out. I really like this brush for this purpose. I don't use it for foundation because I don't use a brush. I use my blender, but I really like it for this purpose. I feel like as you can see, it took literally 2 seconds to blend that out. And look at them cheeks. I'm looking a little bit draggy at the moment. Not that there's anything wrong with that at all, but I'm looking very snatched. Very snatched. Mama's doing a little bit of baking now. Just baking the nose. Ooh, look at that. Right before your eyes. Voila! That's like what I was saying then. Voila! Then just brushing everything away. I don't leave my bake for very long, I'm going to be honest. Just because I feel like sometimes it doesn't blend out very nicely if I leave it too long. That's just me. And then I go ahead and set the rest of my face. A little bit extra, but I do get pretty oily. With the Too Faced Born This Way, just to set the rest of it. Then I'm just going to be taking the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit and just bronzing over that contour just to warm it back up so I don't look so strange. Just really just warming up the skin, you know. A little bit on the nose. Then I'm taking the Benefits blush. Coralister, is it? Gold Rush, sorry, it's the new one. And it smells amazing. If anybody knows where I can get a perfume like this, hit me up, because I could just smell it all day. Then just going in, as you can see, with that excess powder what was on the blender, and just neatening everything up. Oh, there we go. And then I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow palette, and I think that shade what I used is called Summer. And ooh la la, I really like this highlighting palette. I think there's 2 shades that I probably would never use, but then there's 2 shades that I will always use, so you know, there's a little bit in for everybody. But yeah, anyway, when we're finished highlighting, I'm going to be taking the shade Burnt again and just bobbing that under the eye, because I'm going to really smoke it out under the eye because I want it quite big and blown. And excuse my nails, by the way. I had acrylics on, but they fell off. Well, not fell off, but started chipping, and yeah, it wasn't very nice. So anyway, then I just take a plain blending brush and just take that p.louise shade and just buff all that out. Then I'm taking the shade Bestie again, which was the dark purpley shade, and going in close to the lash line just to darken it up. As you can see, and I think this is the Morphe M506 brush. So yeah, I'm just darkening that up. Just really getting awkward now because we left this clip on too long. Right, and then taking that buffing brush again, the same one that I'd used, and just buffing it out. Then I'm taking the Colourpop Double Entendre palette and just going in with that golden shade, highlighting the inner corners. Woo! That was a mouthful. Then I'm going in with the Colourpop Boom. I'm going in with the Colosal mascara, doing my bottom lashes. Then I'm just touching up my eyebrows with the MAC eyebrow pencil. So this is the finished look. I hope you all really enjoyed. And if you did, please subscribe and comment down below, like with a little thumbs up. It would be really appreciated, as I am just starting out. And yeah, so thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.